Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a set of trucks here that you probably won't find anywhere else in the country. A pair of heavy spec Mack Granite Daycabs, MP8s, M-Drive HD 14 speeds, 18740 fronts, 46 rears, lockers, wet kits, 40,000 miles on them. If you need a pair of heavy spec trucks, this is it. I'm going to do a full walk around. Got them out here running this morning for you. Take a look at. Let's go ahead and get started. Identical trucks, extremely clean, extended warranties. Basically new trucks, really. This one's actually got 34,000 miles on it. Air slide fifth wheels, all aluminum wheels. This one's set up with the pintle hitch and air to the back. Really cool look on these, great wheelbases. So if you need a pair of trucks, this is it. Go ahead and take an interior look on the second one as well. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching, guys.